Hey guys, Mike Martin here from Lead Simplify. Right, really quick video tonight. If you just imagine, first of all, you add a unique form to every single page, to every single website on its own, okay? And then the form on the website automatically chooses the right lead buyer in the right location for that website every single time, okay? So you've got a Manchester website, you put a form in there for Manchester and it automatically chooses Manchester lead buyers inside of your Lead Simplify system on complete autopilot. This is for people selling via forms. Build a Liverpool site, does the same thing. You put a Liverpool form on, Oldham form, Rochdale form. You're not tied no longer by these location information where you have to take the addresses and all the rest of it. Dead excited. As you can tell, I'll just fly straight into the system and show you exactly how this works. Okay guys, so basically, let's say for example, we wanted to go in now and create a new form. Yep, and we wanted a new form for pick an industry. Oh, that's not a form. Right, form builder. Sorry guys, it's very late here, it's 12:30. Right, so let's click on add new. And we're gonna build a new form. So we'll just call this test form. In fact, let's call this Plumber Manchester, yeah? Or we could just call it Plumber, but I'll call it Plumber Manchester for the sake of this, right? We'll go in, have we got a plumber? Yeah, we've got a plumber gas safe in there, right? So there we go. Let's say we're doing Facebook ads or we're doing Google PPC or whatever we're doing. Boom, look at the new feature. What does that say to you? That says to me, okay, so we can now choose a location. Watch this. So this guy's in Manchester, UK, all right? Now you go in and you do all the rest of the crappy information that you've done previously. Set your styles, put your buttons in, do all the other stuff as you already all know about it. So we'll put the word back in there, set it to red, do the back of the form so it's clear. This is how I always set mine up, the same way pretty much every single time. Next button, submit button. Thanks. Oop. We'll contact you shortly with a quotation. That'll do for that. Yep, right, okay. Use reCAPTCHA. Yes, we do. Right, okay, so down here, this is where you have to sit and build a form and create a form. And now previously, in the past, what we've always had to do, everybody's always had to do this. If you're building a form and you don't set a location for your form, you still have to do this. You have to come into the form and you, oops, just nearly broke my computer. Sorry guys. Right, you set your form, you have to click on user details once and it'll pull in all the user details. Okay, what you have to have is a name. You need a name for the database, okay, because that's the way it sets it up. But check this out, right? Let's say you don't want a lot of information. Let's say you're running something where you're offering, I don't know, kids' party services or something silly like that, right? And all they want is a brief description of the job and a phone number. Well, our system, Lead Simplify, is automatically set up to hide this information, right? This telephone number here is already set up to be hidden, right, from view unless they purchase the lead from you. Okay, so cool. Right, so let's say we don't want anything else in there, not interested. I'd always recommend getting an email address because obviously internet marketing, we like emails and stuff like that, but you don't necessarily need it. So realistically, you could come in here now. Now what the system needs, you see this name here, has to be called name. One of them has to be called name. But even though it's called name, you could put in here brief description of service needed. Now I'm going down to the bare bones here. I'd probably never do one like this myself, okay, but brief description of service needed. Then we probably go in here, click edit and just put your telephone number. Save preview. Okay, Plumber Manchester, that's the one there, isn't it? So let's go and have a look at it. Opening an iframe. Cool, looks like brief job description. So it could be, want a clown for my kid's party. Yeah, we know it's Manchester because the central location is set to Manchester. Okay, put your phone number in, pop your captcha, click submit. That goes to all of your lead buyers for the plumbing or for the clowns or whatever other thing you're doing in Manchester instantly. Right now, let's say you want to build another site for Liverpool for this. Now, those who know how to use Magic Page plugin, I know it's got nothing to do with this, but those who know how to use Magic Page plugin and know how to set up location sets, if people want to know how to do that, I'll do a video on it. It shows you how to set up location sets, and then what you can do is you can actually have one website and you can create these forms this quick, this easy for your national sites. But I'll show you that in another video. So now, for example, if we go back over to the form builder, Okay, now let's say, right, well, we're building a Liverpool site, so what do we want to do? We go in there, we click duplicate, click the OK button. Didn't think it was going to work then. Right, then we go over here and we type in Liverpool. Then we come down here and we delete Manchester. Oh, we put in some crazy location nobody's ever heard of. Then we type in Liverpool. Okay, you've now got plumbers or children's entertainers or whatever it is that you're trying to do. Click save and preview. It'll take us back to the main list. Oh, it's taking us to here. Open preview. What's going to happen now? They put I want a clown for my kids party. Yep. Next. Phone number, contact number. Bam. Sell that. The information will pop in and somebody will get a notification saying I want a clown for my kids party. Done. That's all they'll receive. And if they click purchase the email inside the system, they will automatically receive the phone number of this person so they can ring them direct. This will only go out to people in the location where the form is based, meaning, and obviously it does it on industry. So if we're going back into edit form, we can see that the industry on this form is gas plumber. Okay, so if it was an air conditioning repair in Liverpool, or if it was an air conditioning repair in Miami, Florida, boom, there you go. Anybody who does air conditioning repairs in Miami, Florida will receive the information. This means we can now dwindle the forms down to almost nothing. You have to have the name field in, so you have to click on user details and keep the name field. If you don't want the name field, what you have to do is you go in, you find it and you call it name. Name equals name, and that means it'll work. If you don't have that in, it will never work because the system needs that to work. I like to put page breaks in as often as I can. Telephone number, again, if you change the name to phone on one that you're making, it will automatically hide the information inside it. But you know, if you just click user details, pull it in, click delete, off you go, boom, you're done. And then this will work. So if I build an Oldham one, a Rochdale one, a Liverpool one, a Leeds one, all of the form fills now will automatically come in and go to the right lead buyers in the right location without people putting in their location. They don't need to put in their address and stuff like that now. So if you just want, somebody doesn't want to put a full address in, that can slow down the amount of conversions you're going to get and the amount of people that's going to fill in the form. They just put in a brief description of what they want, the contact number, boom, it goes to the right people in the right location every single time. Hope you guys love it. Nobody even knew that this was coming, but it's here and it's another great update. We've got the complete business automation coming very, very, very soon. Guys, if you don't know what this is, you're going to go absolutely mental. When this comes out for Lead Simplify, if you haven't got Lead Simplify and you're in the lead generation industry, selling leads anywhere on this planet, especially in the US, then you're nuts. Because this is just going to automate absolutely everything. Meaning people who, if you spend 30 minutes processing a lead or even 10 minutes processing a lead, Lead Simplify can process 10,000 leads in a day and you have to spend no time at all on it. It means that anybody who's not using it is not going to be able to compete. Not on price, not on the amount of leads that you can generate. Plus, they're not going to be able to spend enough time generating leads because what's going to happen is they're going to be stuck processing leads while you're generating leads and making more money than them. Cool. Sorry, stop waffling. Bedtime for me. Thank you very much for watching. I'll speak to you all soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.